right, ladies and gents, we are starting a little road trip, 250 miles. We're going to see what kind of gas mileage we get. Just reset it. So we just left about 0.2 miles ago. Short term, we're going to see what it is in about 3.5 hours. We're 1 hour into the road trip, almost 30 miles per gallon, averaging exactly 60 miles an hour. Pretty good stuff. All right, ladies and gentlemen, total is 30.5 miles per gallon. Crazy. I was not expecting it to be quite that high. I thought we were at least going to stay under 30, but super impressive. 3 hours and 50 minutes of driving, averaging 62 miles an hour. Not too bad. Good morning, ladies and gents. We are gonna go get some bread. So I got there and they were closed for a private event, so that stinks. But I did find another place that I really like that's local. Got 2 muffins, tipped $53. 'Tis the season of giving. Take care of your local businesses. My company's doing something cool this year, so we get to tip big. All right, it is Michigan versus Ohio State today. Time to lock in. We got an issue. We're gonna fix it. There we go. I don't wanna lose that. All right, we're gonna do a full emergency stop from 25 miles an hour. Holding and... pretty good. Love Audi Quattro, man. Tis the season, ladies and gents. Drove up north to get this good snow. This looks hilarious. It looks like I have a front lip. It's got to be good for the front end there. That looks so funny. Wonderful. For snow plowing. Is it coming back for more? Let's see. She's struggling a bit.
That CVT kind of sucks.
Oh shoot. No! Copyrighted music! Stop! Doing some Quattro stuff, baby. 'Tis the season. Finally, we got some snow. We can actually enjoy it. Evan is ripping the A5 at the moment, and I am obviously in the S4. It's just so fun. Like, these roads are perfect, man. It's beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, 'tis the season to do some Quattro things. Had to pick up this S8. It's going into the shop for some goodies this week, and then the S4 is just an absolute snow monster. Right now it's really, really filthy, but we're gonna take them out, do some more snow business. But look at this beautiful backdrop. Look at this down here. It's just wonderful. School's had a snow day today and yesterday, so the roads are bad, but not really. It's fun for these sort of cars. Head to the shop?
Yep.
Alrighty. Yeah, we stopped to take a picture and this guy came out of his house and he was like, "You guys all right? Did you hit a deer?" It's like, "No, sir. Thankfully we did not. Just want to take some pictures. We got a car behind us." These roads are just too fun in these cars, man. You gotta drive safe, drive responsibly always, but when you have a capable car and you drive defensively, these little snowy roads, ooh, big decline right here. It can be quite a lot of fun. Hear the exhaust crackling. What a beautiful day. We got the sun cresting all these trees right now, so it's just like golden. Oh yeah, get on that undercarriage, baby. My car's got the stability control and traction on right now, so it's not sliding. Which for everyday driving like this is totally fine with me. Man, one of those would be pretty cool, huh? We're gonna do some Quattro stuff because we got some of this stuff here in northern Michigan. There is a pile of snow about 22 feet high right here. Evan just wrapped the Porsche. We're gonna see what that looks like with the satin Expel PPF. So that thing is looking sweet. I took a peek at it the other day. We have a big Lions football game today. Woo-wee. Let's go do some buffoonery, some shenanigans. All right, folks, the wrap is finished up and it looks sick with the satin right next to the gray. Woo-wee! Look at that with the light hitting off it. That is beautiful. We're gonna do some stuff in the snow. I hope it does not get stuck. It's all-wheel drive, but it's on Continental, ladies and gentlemen. See what ends up happening here.
It looks sick.
That looks so good.
We gotta get a Christmas tree.
You were spinning straight rear wheels.
Really?
Yeah.
There's no front wheel?
Nothing.
That's hilarious.
Ladies and gents, we are back from our little vacation there. It's 17 degrees here in southeast Michigan, so the weather sucks. There is salt all over the road, but we got a little fun and some fresh powder up north this week, so I had a great time hanging out with the lads, doing fun Quattro stuff, some Porsche stuff. I'll tell you, man, that S8 is pretty cool. Big boat of a car, but I tell you, man, winter tires plus Quattro equals fun. That's just your math lesson of the day. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button for the algorithm, share it with a friend, subscribe if you guys are new. A lot of winter fun stuff coming. Thank you guys very much for watching. Till next time, we'll see ya.